Hey, how you doing today? So what I'm looking for, I saw one of your products online. I didn't really name a price. I'm a YouTuber personally, and I'm trying to get something, a GoPro mounted in the back of my truck to keep the camera still, basically. I'm trying to, when I'm taking tight turns or going over bumps, I don't want the camera moving at all. And so I saw one of your products. It's like a long shaft that'll mount to the seat. Um, Exactly, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I just didn't know how much it costs and how long it could take to get here. If you could look that up for me, that'd be great. Right, right. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. And how much was that? 50 bucks? Yeah, no, no way, man. No way. 50 bucks my ass. What's going on, everybody? So today is finally the day we're going to be reinstalling those seats, putting them back in the truck, and finishing up the interior. Let's start the video. Now that the seats are installed, I'm going to start working on the dash and get all these vents cleaned and cup holders and just do a good thorough once over. Now the last piece of the puzzle is installing this radio. I'm going to try and take the dash off relatively quick. Alright, so I had to readjust the camera because this was getting in the way. But I got the wiring harness all spliced together. Just got to put it in the right slots. Make sure that's all plugged in right. Okay, that's clipped in. And just the radio antenna. There we go. All right, so it works. All right, I'm gonna do this one-handed here. Let's see if it just clicks right in. Awesome. All right, little function test, make sure that doesn't come out. All right, we're in. The tires on the Suburban were pretty much bald. The back two were fine, but the alignment was off. That's why it's bald on this side. And let's be honest, guys, the tread's just gone on these things. So what we did, saw an ad on Craigslist, and after we took a 3-hour drive, we got these 245/75s, and they're almost brand new, guys. There's a little bit of dry rot on the sides, but the tread on here is unbelievable. And it came with the exact same wheels that we got, all cleaned up, ready to go. This whole set, $100. There we go. Last but not least is the spare. Okay. With that spare tire being put in place, the interior is officially done. I'm so pleased with how these tires look on the truck. They're the same size, but the wheels just look shinier. They were in way better condition, didn't have as much curb rash as the other wheels did. Not as much dry rot as the other tires as well. Plus the tread, I mean, these look like brand new tires. So after 2 months, 4 bottles of Goo Gone, a bunch of cleaning rags, and about 1.5 gallons of Crud Cutter degreaser, this is the result that you see today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching these series of videos of cleaning the interior. I certainly had a lot of fun and made a lot of memories. But I have to give a big shout out to my grandpa and my mom helping me out with this project, because I couldn't have done it by myself. And that's probably why you noticed in previous videos I've said, we're doing this, we did that, instead of I. they were a lot of help in the background with this project. So guys, next week we're going to be starting working on some of the mechanical things, like a sensor or other stuff that just aren't quite right in the truck. There's a big squeak, and I think it's the control arm bushing. But a huge deal was the alignment of this truck, and after replacing those tires, it actually fixed a lot of the alignment issues. It used to pull really hard to the right. Putting those tires on, now it actually pulls to the left. So something drastically changed there. So that tells me I don't think something's wrong with the tie rods per se. It's just got to be the alignment is off. So that's a huge win. That'll be gone over in another video. But guys, if you want to see some more great content, check out Jason at Sparks Fire and Baling Wire, James at Third Coast OBS, and Zane at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. Thanks so much for watching Waddock Productions, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.